Chef Marli in my hometown of Cleveland, Ohio at Glo Studios. I'm super excited because I'm doing my first ever vegan challenge, y'all. Yeah. What we making today?
We making tacos.
We making tacos? What kind of tacos you making?
Oh, I'm sweet potato. I got some sweet potato joints I'm gonna do. I think I got some with some Chico. What is these? I got some
Chico. I don't know what that is, but I'm making some butternut squash and potato tacos. And I'm making a little crab cake taco, something special. Y'all ain't never seen nothing like that before, no vegan, but I got y'all, alright? So stay tuned. It's gonna be really great, really fun. Also, make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Yana Glo. Make sure you're following him,
Chef Marli, on Instagram.
Chef Marli, and also make sure you're following this great studio space. It's at Glo_Cleveland. There we go. Yeah. All right, y'all. Stay tuned.
Okay, we got the heat going on right now on low. What we about to do is add this extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit. You gotta drizzle it just a little bit. And the first thing we want to do is add a little bit of garlic, not too much, just a little bit. Ooh, that's enough right there.
That's way too much garlic.
You think so? You want to add a little bit of Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning, you know what I'm saying? Just Idaho potatoes and sweet potatoes. You want to add them to the pan right now. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Mix it with the garlic and the olive oil. Yes, like that, yes. We're gonna let them marinate, we're gonna let them do their thing, we're gonna let them conversate for a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So I just took the lid off right here. You see I got soft, right? It took about maybe like 10 to 15 minutes because sweet potatoes take a little longer than the regular potatoes to cook.
I'm gonna start off with a healthy, alright, it's on. I'm gonna start off with a healthy amount of vegan butter. Just make sure I'm coating the bottom of it. This is in the pan. I don't know if this is the wok. I'm not sure. I just bought this today, guys. Isn't it so pretty and pink? I'm gonna go ahead straight in with the butternut squash and the potatoes. These are mini golden potatoes, so I didn't peel them or anything. They were ready to go straight out the bag. I just chopped them up. Next up, I'm gonna add a little taco seasoning.
Ooh.
I'm also gonna add a little bit of paprika.
Ooh. Add a little more. Okay. Okay.
And I'm gonna make sure.
That's sexy though. That's sexy right there. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
I like that.
Y'all hear him, y'all? Alright, so this is just about done. It's been about 10-15 minutes. Everything is still in solid form, but the potatoes and the butternut squash is cooked all the way through. I'm having a hard time right now, but I can tell because I've broken a few of these in half. And they are fully cooked. This is a great alternative to taco meat. Much healthier too, guys. So here I have some homemade guac and some fresh salsa. I'm sorry guys, I'm just not ready to make this on camera yet. Maybe one day.
Just put a little more olive oil in the pan, extra virgin. Some jalapenos, which is my favorite. Some jalapenos right up in there. And a little bit of shroomies. Some shroomies up in there. I'm gonna take a pinch of some Italian seasoning. Two pinches. I like paprika, I like how it flows with the different vegetables. Always use pink Himalayan, always, nothing else. Sometimes some other sea salt, but I prefer to use pink Himalayan. We got going on right now, man, we got the mushroomies, we got the jalapeno peppers, little Himalayan salt with some Italian seasoning paprika. So what I'm gonna do is add these kidney beans and chickpeas to the mixture, you know what I'm saying? Just get up on there. Mix it around just a little bit. Let them marinate, let them do their thing, let them have a conversation. Okay? See, once it gets soft, it's been about a good 10, maybe 15, almost 20 minutes. You know when the beans is done because kidney beans did not take too long, but when the chickpeas is nice and soft. Oh, yeah. They ready. That's when it's ready.
Alright guys, so in this bowl I have some canned hearts of palm that I'm actually going to use my hands to just kind of squish and break up. If I used a knife, I wouldn't get the same kind of texture that I'm going for. And I want it to be like a crabby type of, I don't know if that sounds weird, but like a crab-like texture. So you can see me just squeezing them, mushing them, trying to get them kind of stringy. once these are all mushed to the texture that I like to add in some jalapenos, green onions, and then to season them, I have some Old Bay, some garlic jalapeno seasoning, and then some adobo. So next up, I'm gonna add a healthy amount of vegan mayo. Today I'm using Vegenaise. I'm gonna squeeze in just a little bit of mustard. Oh, I probably should have. All right, let's try that again. All right. And then this is my special, just to give them a little kick. Actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and just take the lid off of this. I like a lot of hot sauce. I'm gonna add some hot sauce in there, all right? Finally, I'm gonna add in some breadcrumbs. I'm gonna mix that all together pretty well. So with the crab cake mixture, I'm gonna take pretty small amounts because I don't want them to be too big for the tacos. And just kind of form like a circular, I don't know, like a little mini crab cake. I'm gonna just coat it with these breadcrumbs right here. And then it's ready to fry. Alright, so now after they're ready, I'm just popping them straight into some hot vegetable oil I had ready for me on the stove. These do not take long to cook at all, guys. You'll start to see in about 2 minutes they're going to be a nice kind of golden brown at the bottom, and I'm going to flip them over. Guys, you can see it only took about 2 minutes to get this nice golden brown color. Alright guys, so next I want to make a little bit of a slaw, well not a little bit, I want to make a slaw for the crab cake tacos. So I'm going to start off by adding some mayo. Again, I'm using the Vegenaise. Next I'm going to add in some of the garlic jalapeno seasoning. Now I'm going to squeeze some lime juice. Why isn't any juice coming out my lime? Dang, this is the hardest lime in the world. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of water to thin it out. Then whisk this together. I think that was a little too much water. Just add a little bit more mayo. Alright, I have carrots, radishes, and cabbage. So the carrots I bought pre-shredded, the radishes I bought whole, and I just shredded them up myself, and then I chopped up some cabbage. I'm gonna take this dressing I just made, pour it over our slaw, and I'm just gonna mix it. Wow, is that like a train? I don't know if you guys can hear that, it's super loud over here. But without getting it out the bowl, I'm gonna do my best to kind of just mix this up some. So we have a nice healthy slaw. Alright guys, so here are my 2 finished tacos. This one right here, I have the vegan crab cakes along with the slaw that I made and topped with just some sliced avocado. Then over here is the butternut squash and potato medley along with some homemade guac and fresh salsa.
So this is what we got going on right now. See right here, under this flavorful little beautifulness right here, we got mushrooms, chickpeas, and kidney beans under with the tortilla wrapped around it with some nacho cheese from Raw Trainer, some avocado, some tomatoes in there with the parsley, a little bit of chili seasoning, you know what I'm saying, some paprika. Over here we got the sweet potatoes and the Idaho potatoes right here with the same thing going on with a little bit of sauce on it, avocados, tomatoes, just a whole box full of goodness gracious.
We've been in this kitchen for some hours. We made a huge mess that we gotta clean up after this. But this right here is the moment of truth.
Okay.
Alright, you know it's same time. Come on.
Same time? Okay.
Which one are you gonna eat first?
I want the one with the crab cakes.
With the crab cakes? Alright,
Vegan crab cakes.
I'm gonna try the one with the potatoes. And first of all, before we do this, y'all see this presentation? Like, I know I'm a beginner, I'm still getting at it. But look how sad my tacos look compared to this. Like, this is beautiful. Like, teach me, okay? I need help with this part right here. This whole making it look good, I ain't got that down good.
Okay.
Alright.
I got you.
Thank you. Alright, well, for real. Alright, so I'm trying to sweet potato and potato one. You're trying to crab cake.
Crab cake.
Same time?
Same time.
Alright. Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna try the next one. You gotta taste the other one. You can't just eat that one.
I want to eat this one.
I know, but like, eat it later. Eat that one out. Alright, so next is this. This is what? Beans, mushrooms, and chickpeas?
Yeah, that's the kidney beans with chickpeas and the mushroom type of situation.
Alright.
And what's the right?
That is the sweet potato. No, here's the sweet potato. I'm bugging. That is the butternut squash with the potato. Topped with a little guac, some fresh salsa in there.
That's what they're talking about. I'll say that for later. I'll say that for later.
These are bomb. Wow.
I need Glo. That's that.
Alright, y'all. These are bomb. Seriously, these are so good. But I don't want to eat this whole thing on camera because I love it. Don't judge me. Yes, these are whole containers. I know someone's going to have something to say about it.
We need blood. We need sponsorship.
Get out of it, honestly. I spent like $100 in y'all store today, so please.
Yeah.
My tooth.
Uh-huh.
Okay, but seriously guys, thanks so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, that you enjoyed our tacos. Yeah. Let us know in the comment section below, whose tacos do you think were the best in this video? If it were mine, you can let them know. Yana Glo, it has you, okay?
If it's Chef Marli, let me know.
If y'all like his little tacos.
My little taco, that's some little.
Nah, these are really good though, guys, seriously. So let us know in the comments which one you're rocking with more. Make sure that you subscribe, that you thumbs up and like this video. You turn on my post notifications so you know when I'm gonna post. And finally, follow me on Instagram, guys, at Yana Glo. Follow him.
Chef Marli.
At Chef Marli. And follow this awesome space. Thanks so much for letting us film here today. We're at Glo Studios in Cleveland, Ohio.
That's Glo_Cleveland. Right here.
What he said. Make sure that you're following them too. They have some really dope events. There's actually one coming up this Saturday that I'm really excited for. So again, make sure you check all of us out. Let us know if you're rocking with it. And I'm gonna finish these tacos, y'all. So I'll catch y'all later.
Yeah.